Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how to give games on Steam to your friends. So, first we're gonna go to store. You're gonna pick any game you want to give them. Let's say Red Dead 2. You're gonna do it like usually when you buy the games, just add to cart. And here you're gonna just, instead of for my account, you're gonna say this is a gift. If you want, you can add more. View my cart. Continue to gift options, select gift recipient, you choose the person. You can see if you want, you can reselect who you're gifting. You're gonna write out, let's say, gift message, happy birthday. You can see it's your account name. If you want, just you can put your real name in or your signature, and you're just gonna choose delivery as soon as possible, which means obviously they're gonna instantly get it, or schedule delivery. Let's say their birthday is, I don't know, February 1st. Just gonna take February 1st, the time, and then just continue to payment. And then you're gonna go through everything like you pay for it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you want to see more these type of videos, just subscribe. That's it. Hope this video helped you. See you next one. Bye.